I like that pear. Go over here real quick.
Yeah, there's
it gives it the tension that but these being made for one of the two.
Okay, and so now you're under. Yeah. You looked at it one too late. There you go. You went under two, and then you knew something was wrong. So to make it right, you went under a third. And if you look at it and it's wrong, you need to back up
They would have used
to correct it.
rawhide, or they would have
You were doing really well. Wanna finish it? You don't have much to go.
To make a cord about that size.
That's right.
They made good, strong cords, but they're a little labor intensive.
the Texas two-step.
Little jazz ball.
Yeah.
One more.
Woo! Great job.